Hello, I'm Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. Today I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw a Valentine gnome. It's just a made-up creature that's kind of fun to draw, especially for Valentine's Day. Let me show you how. Before you begin, gather your art supplies of drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and colored markers. You can also follow along with this free matching tutorial from my website. I always recommend making guides on your paper before you start to draw. You just need to fold and crease the paper in half in both directions, and you'll have lines that match my tutorial. Step number 1, draw a large oval for the nose just above that center line. Step number 2, start the gnome hat with the left side that is kind of draped over the nose. Then draw a matching shape on the right side. Finish the hat on top with a fun curly tip. Step number 3. This gnome has a large beard, so start the right side with a kind of zigzag line. Then draw a matching shape on the left side. Draw lightly here, as some of this line is going to be erased in a few minutes. Step number 4. Now a simple shirt may be added below that beard. Step number 5. The kind of cartoon-looking legs are started below the shirt like this. Add rings below those legs, which are going to be his sock. Then draw a simple shoe that points to the right, and another shoe that points to the left. Step number 6. It's time to draw the arms. The right one is very simple, as it is just hanging down. The left one takes a little more focus because it's bent and overlapping that beard shape. First draw the sleeve, and then add a simple hand. Now take a moment to erase any lines inside the sleeve and hand so they look like they are in front. Step number 7, it's time to add the heart. Draw one that is tucked under that left hand so you don't see the whole shape. Step number 8, to make the heart look like it's in front of the beard, erase any lines that are inside it. The last drawing step is to decorate the clothes of your gnome. I'm adding some big stripes to the hat, but feel free to add any other fun items that you might be thinking of. Step number 9. Okay, the pencil drawing is done. It's time to trace everything with a good black marker. And please don't worry if your lines are wobbly at all. Those can add up to a really charming hand-drawn look too. Once everything is traced, use a good eraser to go over your drawing and get rid of any pencil lines that might still be showing. It's always a smart thing to do this before you start to color. I'm going to color my Valentine gnome with markers, but please use whatever art supplies you might have. Crayons and colored pencils will work great too. His hat is going to have some red stripes, as well as some matching red shoes. I think a big pink heart will really add to the Valentine look. Including some pink for the hat and for the socks. And finally, there's just a little bit of skin color to fill in, including his nose, hands, and legs. As always, I really want to thank you for following along with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this Valentine gnome tutorial video. Please check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, for more step-by-step tutorials like this one, including how to draw a Valentine teddy bear and how to draw a Valentine cat. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.